Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog and welcome back to our last episode of my reaction video for the series Avenues of the Diamond. And guys, this is Sam's final walk with Clyden na, and grabe, it's been a long journey for them and now it's gonna end na. And mamimiss ko yung moments ng saklay. But looking forward to another series. Comment down nga kayo kung gusto niyo mapanood yung Bad News kasi medyo hindi ko feel mag-film today and tomorrow because August is my month. So medyo busy tayo and iba na din yung shift natin. But anyways, bago pa tayo magkaiyakan dito, let's start in 3, 2, 1. Alam niyo ba guys, parang nakaka-relate ako dun kay pag-part ways ni Sam at ni Lance tuloy, ni Sam at ni Clyden. Like, hindi kita hinahawakan pero parang may panghahawakan sila sa isa't isa na one day if walang mahanap yung isa sa atin, parang at the end of the day, sila pa din talaga yung magkakatuluyan. Like, sana all, 'di ba? So, ito na, after 3 years, guys. After 3 years. Diba? Sobrang successful na nilang dalawa ni Clyden. Like, feeling ko, ito na yung tamang timing. What if, diba?
Masyado na rin kasi nakakapagod. And I still do go to Fashion Week, but only as a guest.
Hindi na siya nag-runway. Guest na lang siya lagi.
Enjoying myself, doing what I truly want.
Au revoir. Au revoir is goodbye in French. May alam ako dun.
Tuloy ng club in Manila. Nakakagulat nga, sobrang laking tulong ni Haze. At ngayon, uuwi na ako. After everything, I really miss getting to share
Ayan, uuwi na siya para mag-third ng
and
club.
I haven't really talked to Sai for the past 3 years. We did message a few times, birthdays, special occasions, pero di na naulit since then.
Happy New Year. Happy birthday.
Baka nakamove on na siya, di ko alam.
No plans of marrying and having kids. Kasi nga, feeling ko, deep in her heart, iniintay pa rin talaga niya si Clyde na sila talaga mentally. Ganun yata talaga pag nasasaktan. Kung sino yung last, kung mahal na mahal mo talaga yung last, as long as, parang walang papantay sa'yo. Maging sino man sila. Diba? Gwapo naman ang sumundo sa airport! Oh, diba? Gwapo naman yan! Sana all may sumusundong ganyan kagwapo, diba? Gwapo ni Sevi! Pagi talaga sa kanya yung green. Agree guys, agree. Sa mga high gab fans dyan. Alam niyo ba yung green?
Ikaw, you've changed a lot, huh?
Yung muscle ko lang yung
Very Sevi. Very Sevi. Gawa nga yun yung mentality, tas puro si Sevi.
you're talking to the new head engineer ng Valeria Construction.
Head engineer na siya.
Ikaw, kumusta ka na? Sobrang sikat mo doon ha. Tapos, kilala mo pa pala yung favorite actor ko. Di ba sabi ko tanin mo yung fan sign?
Kumusta pa ba yun? I have his number. I can just text him. Video greet na lang yun.
Joke lang.
Did you greet?
Sobrang sikat mo na dito ha. Marami mong ads sa mall. Tapos may papilitan ka pa sa EDSA. Sana wala.
Yeah.
Sana all.
Hindi ka ba na weird naman sa mga nag-video?
Gusto ko din maging talent. Sana may mag-reach out sa akin. Pwede ko ba maging talent? Ganun. Kukunin kitang talent for a certain series. Pwede po ako sa I Love You Since 82.
I can't go through that again.
Sige, tulungan lang kita.
Okay, thank you.
Baka ma-issue. Ano naman to? Alam mo, ang hirap kasi pag celebrity. Medyo nabitin ako dun sa scenes ng parents ni Sam. But bigatin din kasi. Magkano per day yan.
Gusto mo tulungan kita?
Sure, why not?
Well, nasa harap mo lang naman yung the best engineer sa trabaho na yan.
Wow, the best. Uy, kalma ako rin!
Oh, so cute! Ganito rin kami ng mga high school friends kapag meron talagang umaalis, charis.
Parang may semento ka naman, Sevi. Parang bobo to.
Grabe, Luna and Sevi Bardagulan talaga is living me.
Mag-renovate ka? Yes. Tutulong ako. Kami ni Luna magde-design, di ba? Oo, papagandahin ko para pag may pumuntang guys doon, bang bang! Speaking of bang bang, ano, kamusta ang love life? Oh, wala na guys? I'm still single.
Sana all.
Pero may
Ay,
hinihintay.
sana all.
Sino ba yan? Si
Joke line.
Yun.
Single or may iniintay. Well, true.
Mamatay. Walang usap. I only see him through his social media. We kind of drifted apart, so I don't think na may chance pa kami to reconnect. At saka, yung love life ko hindi yung focus natin at the moment, okay? Tama. Yung opening ng club ko yung priority ko ngayon. Tama, di ba? So, pupunta kayo.
Kailan mo yan?
Actually, malapit na. Check ko nga siya tomorrow eh. Basta punta kayo ha, huwag kayong mawawala. Oo naman! Namiss ka namin!
Nakakamiss yung gantong mga scenes dito sa Universe series. Kasi, ang bibigat ng mga scenes lagi.
Nangangailangan kami.
Ganda, no?
Yes?
Si Hayes nga pala yung nangasiwa ng
Sige na
club
nga,
na
you
to.
did a good job. Thank you for taking care of the club.
Yun yung iniisip ko nung sa book nun, maliit lang yung club, pero ganito pala itsura ng club.
Now,
Char.
kailangan ko umorder ng marami.
Once lang yata ako napunta ng club.
Tatawagan ko yung suppliers later.
I'm not a party girl.
Have you contacted the event organizer for the opening?
Yes, meron na. Didn't I tell you? I'm such a good boy. Order ko na lahat pati alak. They should arrive this week.
Aww, what should I do without you?
Damn, that's how to so fake. Ang kulang na lang yung guest list mo. Napag-isipan mo na ba?
Should I invite him? What do you think?
Yes!
Sino?
Si Sai.
Sai? In love ka pa rin sa kanya? You two just can't get over each other.
What do you mean?
Wala.
Kasi ganyan din si Clyden eh. Walang time mag-date.
Just making that excuse.
Alam ko wala siyang dinate after Sam. So, wala.
Who knows? Naantay ka lang din niya, di ba?
Sana all nag-aantayan. Sana all mutual, di ba?
Anyway, kung yun na lang yung kulang, I'll go ahead na.
Okay.
You can figure that out now for yourself. Tanda ka na. Bye.
Bye.
Yan na si Yana.
Sam, si Avi. Bakit umiyak?
Nalaglag. Ito yung nalaglag sa hagdan.
Tumalikod lang ako tapos pagharap ko wala na siyang malay. What? Where are you? I'll go there. Nandito na kami sa emergency room. Sige, pupuntahan ko kayo. Send me the location, okay? Bye.
Ay, nako, Avi. Pero si Avi talaga yung tulay ng bawat isa dito eh. Lalo na sa story. Siya ba to? Parang iba yung tsura niya.
Okay. Sam, how are you? Ito, nag-aalala kay Avi. How is she, Doc?
God, my God! Siya ulit, siya ulit, siya ulit!
We're still monitoring her. But everything's going well. Don't worry.
Thanks, Doc.
Tingtilig ako. Can we talk? Oh my God, gusto ko to. Ay! Welcome back.
Yes.
Do you want to get some food with me?
Gusto ko yun. Hindi mo nag-sampo din. Grabe.
I didn't expect us to see each other again in this situation.
Again.
It's the worst.
Hey, but you don't have to worry. Ivy's in good hands. The experts are taking care of her. Let's just hope for the best. Hey, I went to one of your shows.
Mm.
The Andre show. I watched it in person.
Lingerie.
In my luxury?
You look so amazing.
Grabe naman yun. Sa lingerie talaga.
Make your head turn with my walk.
You always do. You always do.
Saan mo pa naman po yung ticket mo?
Haze.
Hey, Hayes.
Diba?
Convention ko si Hayes, nagbablush ka ulit.
I'm blushing not because of him. Bakit hindi ka pala tumawag when you attended my show?
Naisip ko lang kasi na baka ayaw mo ko makita. But it's okay. Seeing you from afar was already enough for me.
Why wouldn't I want to see you?
Oo nga
I
naman.
never contacted you.
Kasi nag-iintayan lang kayo, guys. Anong mangyayari kung ganyan? Kung walang magpa-first move.
A lot of times. Pero I didn't want to give you false hopes. Kasi hintayin mo ko kahit wala akong plano bumalik.
Kahit naman walang pag-asa, maghintay pa rin ako.
Kahit walang pag-asa.
Waiting for me to come back. I told you to find another woman.
Grabe, bakit sobrang relatable ako dito sa part na to? Na we're in, they're waiting for each other. Like, naantay niyang bumalik yung isa or...
Beside me.
Bakit ba? Hindi naman ako naka-LDR. Wala akong jowa, guys. Hindi ko lang alam.
Kailan pa kaming dalawa?
But I'm glad you're here now. Aalis ka pa ulit.
No. I'm staying here for good.
Di ba? Ayan, staying for good na. Saya na ni Clyden,
By
oh.
the way, I'm opening my club.
Huh? Really? Wow, congrats, ah. I'm so happy for you. Saan ba yung club mo?
Thank you. It's called Epitome in BGC. Yes. Ikaw, kamusta yung hospital life mo?
It's fine. Mas magana yung workload mo ngayon. May interns and residents na kasi ako. So, I have a little bit more time. And my weekends are also free.
Sana all. Magkasama lang, no?
Thanks for the dessert, ha?
No problem.
If available ka pala, I'd want you to come sa opening ng club ko. Exclusive party siya. There won't be a lot of people. Mga kakilala ko lang.
Yeah, I'd love to. Let me just check my schedule first.
Ito na naman yung mga chismosa.
Is it okay for you to be seen with me?
Hindi mo dapat ako magtanong sa'yo yan. Is it okay for you to be seen with another guy?
Another guy?
Ayun, alam niyo yung sobrang awkward nung ganyan, no?
Hindi mo dami nita. You have to go now.
Okay.
See you tomorrow.
I'll see you.
Such a strong couple. Sila pa rin pala after all these years.
Wow! They've been through so much! Solid pa rin! Iba talaga ang tibay ng true love.
Sana all may ka-true love, di ba?
At least wala nang hate or bashing. Seeing him again, I realized ko how much I still love him. eventually siya with everything he said. Naisip na paano may boyfriend ako.
Ito yung mahirap sa guys, they're not vocal on what they're feeling. Hindi nila sinasabi. Alam mo yung, agree na lang sila ng agree kung ano yung nangyayari.
In no time, she'll be
Lumalaban sila pero yung never mo malalaman kung ano yung feelings nila.
Hey, but don't forget to drink your medicine, okay?
Okay na.
Pasaway na, Abby.
I remember you. Sabi ni Daddy you only kiss people you like. Do you like Tita Ninang?
Yeah. I like your tita Nina.
Di ba ikaw yung may gusto kay Tita Ninang? Tita Ninang, you're here!
Of course, Tita Ninang is here to visit you.
Tita Ninang, he's Tita Ninang, right?
Abby, I think you need to rest na. Sleep ka na muna, baby. Grabe, nalala pa ng bata. O siya, mayon ko muna kayo, ha? Andiyan na yung delivery sa baba.
Abby, such a cutie,
Na,
patuti.
baby. We're not sleeping.
Hey, it's nice seeing you again today.
Pa rin.
Ginawang datean ang ospital.
Are you free? Do you wanna hang out?
Sure. I saw them walking together sa BGC.
I saw Samantha Bear and Dr. Nurse Hassan.
Nakita ko rin sila sa supermarket.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I can't believe he's here. Sinutuan pa niya ako ng tempura.
Sana all.
They're cheap.
Thank you, Sai.
When kaya? When?
Anyway, malapit yung birthday mo, di ba? You have anything planned?
Just clear schedule that day.
Pero wait, saan ka magpa-party? Pwede sa club ko.
Nag-endorse pa nga. I mean, thanks for the offer, but you know I don't like parties. I just want to spend that day with you. Ikaw lang.
Sana all.
Sai, do you have a girlfriend? Kasi ako, I'm single.
To answer your question, yes.
Yes, you have a girlfriend?
Nakakainis to. Si
She
Sam.
just came back from New York.
Really? Kailan pa siya nakabalik?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi naman niya sinabi sa akin.
Ako ba yun?
As my girlfriend?
Sana all girlfriend, di ba? Sana all gina-girlfriend.
You know what? I owe you a lot. Me doing pediatric emergency medicine. Ikaw yung
Wait
nag-isip
lang,
ko.
Nug. Ikaw yung reason kung bakit nagtagumpay yung isang tao. Siyempre, with the effort of nung tao, nung mismo. Tapos, parang ginawa kanyang inspiration to pursue things. Ganun. Sana all talaga may Clyden, di ba? Grabe naman po yung effort na...
A poor memory.
Grabe.
Pero nag-retire na ako sa runway shows eh. Bumalik ako ng Manila to focus on my club.
Grabe naman po yung effort ng Clyden.
Dati pa nauwi ka rin dito sa Pilipinas.
Paano?
He's told me. And I'm glad he did. Kasi malamang lumipat na rin ako ng New York. I also talked to my dad about it. Going to New York.
Oo, naalala ko to sa book. Parang lilipat na din talaga siya for New York. Kasi nga, doon na, di ba sinabi ni Sam na magsistay siya doon for good. And I'm glad na umuwi si Sam, di ba? Siyempre, mamimiss niya yung barkada niya. Charis. And syempre, si Clyde nandito. Nandito yung buhay niya sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Beses na. And hindi lang po to tungkol sa career ko.
It's about my
There's
future.
someone in New York that I want to be with.
Ting ways, even if it was so painful. Parang ang hirap nun. My God. Minsan kailangan mo talagang pakawalan yung isang tao para mag-grow kayo together.
About what we want.
Grow together pero apart. Nagagets nyo? Kasi kung hindi nyo papakawalan yung isa't isa,
That doesn't
parang
mean it's
patuloy
really
lang, push and pull lang yan. Idadrag nyo lang yung sarili nyo
Makapunta ka sa
sa iba.
opening ko.
Madadrag lang kayo sa kung saan. Sana nagagets nyo yung mga pinagsasasabi ko. Okay, eto na. Si Via yata, tsaka si Arkin yung wala dito. Kung tama ako. Alam mo naman tong si Kiera at si Luna, laging nasa inuman. Tapos si Sevi, syempre, tagalinis ng kalat ng mga bata. Ng mga bata! Work is life.
Kung may babae ba dito, tapos sabihin niya pa sa work is life. Hindi mo na ba ginagawa yung trabaho natin, Sebi? May kasalanan ka pa. Oh, wait, I have an announcement. Wait for me. Abi ma.
Ano to? Engaged na ba siya? Charis.
Kasi alam mo, 2 weeks yung delay. Everyone! Thank you for coming tonight. This is a dream come true. When I was younger, going to party with friends was my escape and relief. Sa club, nakalimutan ko yung problems ko, and I just enjoy the night. So ngayon, ang hope ko is everyone who visits my club feels the same way. Let's raise our glasses and toast to this brand new start. Welcome to Epitome! Cheers!
Epitome pala. Akala ko epitome. Epitome pala. Alam ko hahabol si Yana dito eh. Yes, may pa-shoot pa talaga si Sevi eh. Ayan na, nakahabol na si Yana. Ayan na! Ayan na si Sevi. Ayan, finally mapapakilala na niya.
Okay, guys. Simon, remember him, right? Ewan ko. Guys, this is Architect Inares, Architect Valeria, and Engineer Camille.
So you're all in the same field.
Yes. Yes.
Sana ba eh? Oh, just walk beside.
Guys, wala na tayo sa college, okay? You know what? Let's just enjoy the night!
Kiss na walang mali siya. May sarili na naman silang mundo. Ay! Yes, yes, Sevi, sana all.
Wait, are you busy now? Ano ka kayo muna ng tubig?
Grabe yung mga ganyan tinginan. Oh my God, my God!
There's something else?
Nothing. Ang ganda mo lang.
Oh my God, ayan na siya. Sana all talaga. Slowly, but surely. Alam mo, sa ganito lang talaga ako kinikilig eh. Mas gusto ko nang kiligin sa ganito kaysa sa totoong buhay. Kasi parang masakit pagka hindi totoo pala yung pagpapakilig sa'yo. Ang dami kong sinabi, nag-kiss lang naman sila.
Okay.
Wait. Being my girlfriend.
Ano ba yan? Hindi pa pala sila.
Tama ba narinig ko?
Sana all. Yes. Hmm. Tama na. Masyado na ako nainggit. Okay, eto na. Si Via yata, tsaka si Orchid yung wala dito. Kung tama ako. Alam mo naman tong si Kiera at si Luna, laging nasa inuman. Tapos si Sevi, syempre, tagalinis ng kalat ng mga bata. Ng mga bata! Work is life.
Kung may babae ba dito, tapos sabihin niya, basta work is life. Hindi mo na ba ginagawa yung trabaho natin, Sebi? May kasalanan ka pa. Oh, wait, I have an announcement. Wait for me. I'll be back.
Ano to? Engaged na ba siya? Charis.
Alam mo, 2 weeks you were delayed. Everyone! Thank you for coming tonight. This is a dream come true. When I was younger, going to parties with friends was my escape and relief. Sa club, nakalimutan ko yung problems ko, and I just enjoy the night. So ngayon, ang hope ko is everyone who visits my club feels the same way. Let's raise our glasses and toast to this brand new start. Welcome to Epitome! Cheers!
Epitome pala. Akala ko epitome. Epitome pala. Alam ko hahabol si Yana dito eh. Yes, may pa-shoot pa talaga si Sevi eh. Ayan na, nakahabol na si Yana. Ayan na! Ayan na si Sevi. Ayan, finally mapapakilala na niya.
Okay, guys. Simon, remember him, right? Nakulikan sila. Ewan ko. Guys, this is Architect Inares, Architect Valeria, and Engineer Camille.
So you're all in the same field.
Yes. Yes.
Sana all. Oh, just walk aside.
Guys, wala na tayo sa college, okay? You know what? Let's just enjoy the night!
Kiss na walang mali siya. May sarili na naman silang mundo. Ay! Yes, yes, Sevi, sana all.
Wait, are you busy now? Uminom ka kaya muna ng tubig.
Grabe yung mga ganyang tinginan. Oh my God, my God!
There's something else?
Nothing. Ang ganda mo lang.
Oh my God, ayan na siya. Sana all talaga. Slowly, but surely. Alam mo, sa ganito lang talaga ako kinikilig eh. Mas gusto ko nang kiligin sa ganito kaysa sa totoong buhay. Kasi parang masakit pagka hindi totoo pala yung pagpapakilig sa'yo. Ang dami kong sinabi. Nag-kiss lang naman sila.
Okay.
Wait. Be my girlfriend.
Ano ba yan? Hindi pa pala sila.
Tama ba narinig ko? Anong sabi mo?
Be my girlfriend.
Sana all. Yes. Tama na. Masyado na ako nainggit. Ay, siya may pa-bedsin pala to. Pero wholesome pa din. Mas wild talaga yung kay Yana tsaka kay Hiro. Amoy baby powder tong dalawang to eh.
Mix lang kami. And everything has been great.
Nice. Kung mapapanyos ulit to eh. Like, pero parang hindi na siya isasama. Oh, so sweet. Yung uwi ka ng, may flowers kahit walang okasyon. Oh, what's this? Meeting the parents.
Una sa lahat, gusto ko munang mag-sorry sa...
At least may closure na ganito.
Promise.
Ito na yung...
Nagbabago na ako.
Yeah, that's true. He's been seeing a therapist.
Tapos na yun. And apology accept.
Gusto ko talaga yung nagkakapatawaran at the end of the story.
And Sam,
Oh, hi, Sam!
Sam! Good that you're here. Hello? Oh, teka. Kayo na ba ulit?
yes, Mom, Dad. Pero di ako nagpapaalam. I hope that's clear.
Nak, we know, hindi mo naman kailangan ng permission namin. Sam, pwede pa kita makausap?
Eto na yung magsasorry siya.
Sige po.
Pero for good naman talaga yung nagawa nung mommy ni Sam. Ay, ni Clyden. Kasi kung hindi niya ipupush away yun si
I'd
Sam.
like to apologize for being so harsh from the past. I know I should have handled it better, but, you know, I'm so proud of your success.
Thank you po. And apology accepted.
Well, just call me Mom if you're comfortable with it.
Okay po, Mom.
Aww.
Anyways, just follow us outside na lang, ha? I'll go ahead.
Okay po.
Okay. Oh, boys, let's go outside. Let's eat.
Okay, let's go punta muna sa Sam.
Okay, go ahead.
Kamusta?
Hey man, alam mo, nag-iba yung atmosphere ng family mo. Dati lagi nag-aawayan, pero ngayon,
Kasi nagkapatawaran na.
peaceful.
Ito na. Pupuntahan na yung...
Jail warden ang request niya na makita ang mga magulang niya sa isang silid. Pero supervised visit po ito at 10 minuto lang ang tagal.
Salamat po.
Sige.
Do you want me to come with you?
Sobrang strong ni Sam para harapin ang parents niya ng ganyan.
To talk to
After all, diba? Sobrang strong nila. Even Elise, kung tama ako.
Sam, anak,
Grabe naman kasi yung pulis.
Sam, anak, how are you? Anak, I missed you so much. We missed you so much.
Wala nang kilay yung tatay
How
niya.
are you, babe? I'm good. Kayo po.
We're fine, I guess. Just taking it one day at a time.
You treated us badly. I was so mad at you. Kayong sinisisi ko sa lahat ng nangyari sa amin.
Gusto ko yung nasa kulungan pero napak yung pilik mata.
You demanded so much from me. And I wasted so much of my life trying to reach your expectations. Maui, I'm so sorry. We're sorry. Anak, wala naman kami ibang gusto kundi to protect you. Because we love you so much. So much. But your love suffocated me. Paano mo yung nagawa sa akin?
for what you did to her?
Yes. Every single day of my life.
Ito yung...
Araw-araw humingi ako ng kapatawaran sa langit.
Kung alam nila how much I cried dahil sa pangmamaliit niyo and for forcing me sa mga bagay na ayaw kong gawin. I was even willing to arrange my marriage to a stranger. Kung hindi naging si Clyde yun, mas malala siguro ang pinagdaanan ko. How could you do that?
We were worried about you. We wanted to make sure that you'll be okay kung nangyari sa akin.
But you make it look like I needed him. That I used him. Sa tingin niyo ba, hindi ko kaya rin mag-isa? Bakit? Because I'm a woman? I don't need a husband to save me from despair. Mom, Dad. Hanggang sa kasal ko, hindi pa rin ako binigyan ng pagkakataon na magdesisyon para sa sarili ko.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. To you, to your sister.
Alam naman natin they're sorry, pero the damage has been done.
I'm sorry kung napafeel ko sa'yo na lang ka. You've done so much and I'm so proud of you, Maureen.
I just wanted to be free. To make decisions for myself because I am my own person. You don't own your children. May pakiramdam din kami. Pinilit niyo pa si Naomi sa course na ayaw niya para lang sumaya kayo. That's what? You became so obsessed with politics, money, and everything else na nakalimutan niyo how to be a decent parent to your own children.
Grabe. Sa true lang naman. Ang bigat ng dinadala ni Sam.
That's true. Is it us? Please?
Hindi na.
I don't know.
Kasi naman, te. Nasa huli talaga pagsisisi, diba?
I love you, anak.
You did a great job, Maui. You did a great job. So proud of you. Letting go of the pain. Good job. Proud kami sa'yo. Isang Doc Clyden Ramirez nga po, yung maintindihan yung sakit ng puso ko. Sure. Aww. He's one of the green flags talaga sa Universe series. Really, the greenest flag. Kasi naman, te, makakapag-jowa ka pa ba kung isa kang med student? Napaka-busy niya, diba? So, green flag talaga. Yun nga lang, magsiselos ka sa work niya.
You didn't see me.
Grabe yung scenes ni Naomi. Like,
I feel like you're the one wiping my tears. Naomi, I'm now free.
so sad. But happy. Kung saan nabuhay pa si...
I'll show you something.
Okay.
Aww.
Ano to?
Wait, dyan ka lang.
Magpropose na ba siya? Sana all.
Bakit?
Walk to me.
Bakit?
Basta, just walk to me.
Oh, her final walk. Gusto ko yung look ni Sam na ganito. Yung simple lang yung makeup, not bold yung lips. Yung color pala ng lips. Sobrang ang aliwalas. Ba't kaya pinalitan nila yung specs ni Lance? So, okay yung manipis eh.
leather
I
po
don't know.
yan. So, leather po siya. At ganito yung shape ng upuan niya.
Nag-propose siya! Nag-propose siya! Nag-propose siya! Sana all binibigyan ng sing-sing.
Samantha, were you there? Will you marry me?
Trinap niya na! Trinap na niya! Papakasalan na niya si Sam. For real.
Of course, yes.
I hear wedding bells.
Picture tayo.
Okay.
Sana all!
You posted it? Anong caption?
My final walk will be on the aisle with you.
Aww. Saklay. Sana all. Sobrang cute daw mga clips nung prenup nila. Like, oh, sana all na lang talaga Sam. Hindi ko masyadong maano yung volume niya kasi baka makapiright tayo. But, engaged. Finally, Sam is engaged. And sobrang saya kasi happy ending tayo dito. Though, lahat naman to a happy ending. Kinakabahan na ako sa our yesterday's escape. So, last 2 books na guys. Last 2 books na for the Universe series. And, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pag-review ko dito. And this is my last review for Avenues of the Diamond. And sobrang thank you guys sa mga nanood at nagko-comment dito and sa even sa TikTok ko and sa FB page and IG. Thank you so much guys and see you on my next vlog. Bye!